No, seriously.
Yeah,
Yeah, seriously. I've been down there doing it. And then I've been out Reggie's most of the time doing his garden. So tomorrow afternoon, I'll get it all done. Darkness is night.
Do we pay you for those? So we pay you that breakfast one of the